Hey everyone, welcome back to Garnock Reviews, where today we're looking at the Jeanneau Leader 12.5. This was on display at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show last year. I think you're going to be impressed with this one. She's capable of 50 miles per hour. You got an open cockpit in the bow, you got an open cockpit in the stern, you've got great accommodation down below. Let's jump on board and take a look. I love the way the side of the hull drops down. It creates almost a balcony effect. And you can see we've got the guardrails around the side of it, as well as having a boarding ladder. And this really helps expand out the aft cockpit for entertaining family and friends. This particular example is pretty much top of the line with every option ticked, and that includes upgrading to triple 300 horse Yamaha outboards. And I love the solid handhold you have on this extended platform. There is boarding ladders built into it underneath, but it makes it so much easier for getting on board. As I step on board, notice how little the boat moves. This boat's over 40 foot in length and a beam of almost 12 foot. It's a very stable platform. And as we make our way up, you can see the aft cockpit. We've got the L-shaped seating area with a cockpit table in the middle. And again, you see this fold down option where you can use this for fishing, you can use this for jumping off and diving into the warm waters. And then as we pan around, you see here we've got the grilling station. And this includes a fridge and ice maker. And for extra entertainment, this has actually got a drop-down TV from the solid hardtop. Can't think of a better place to watch the Super Bowl than something like this. And underneath the cockpit table and the seats here, there's a large hatch, and there's plenty of storage space down there to put all the cushions, ropes, fenders, things like that. And then as we make our way around to the helm, you've got 3 seats facing forward, and I love the bolster effect that each seat has, allowing you to either stand up or sit down. And the helm has been upgraded. This includes control of the windlass from the helm. You've got the electronic pack upgrade, and that includes a 2x Garmin GPS map. That's also connected to the engine control management system. You've got the autopilot, you've got the VHF, you've got bow thruster. This boat can actually be joystick operated. And it's even got a gyroscopic stabilizer built into the boat as well to give that extra stability and comfort. I love the modern feel to the curved hatch that leads down into the accommodation area below. And I also like how far back you can push the hatch. Being somebody that's over 6 foot tall, it certainly makes it easier for getting down below without worrying about bumping your head anywhere. And as you would imagine, the accommodation down here, it is fully air conditioned. I really like the colour of the materials that's down here. It helps make the boat feel very spacious with a modern feel to it. I also like the windows that's built into the hull. Brings in natural light, and as well as a grilling station outside, you do have a galley in here as well, with plenty of storage space for plates and cutlery and dry food storage as well. The U-shaped seating on the bow, the table actually can be lowered and this becomes a double berth. And I like that you've also got an opening hatch overhead. This is great for not only light and ventilation, but it could also be used as emergency access if needed. The heads compartment in here makes it perfect for that weekend escape. And the boat does come with 54 gallons of water capacity. I like the clever way that they've got the shelf on top of the toilet. So if you need extra space there, you can keep it down and obviously just lift it up whenever you need to use the toilet. And there's great headroom in here for the shower compartment. You could actually use this as a shower compared to some of the other boats I've been on. And then as we pan round, under the main cockpit is the main accommodation cabin. This can be a twin berth as well as a single berth to the side for 3 people, but there is actually infill cushions where you can turn this into one large king-size berth. And again, there's plenty of drawers and storage down here for your clothes and personal belongings. And then as we make our way up to the bow area, notice how clear the deck is and how you've got the handholds on either side. And there is a sunshade covering the front cockpit for additional comfort. And here you see we've got 3 sun loungers, as well as a forward cockpit table with seating around there. There's plenty of drinks holders. And this boat's been equipped with a premium audio pack, so you're looking at the Fusion Pack Apollo. It's got an amplifier, it's got speakers throughout, there's even a subwoofer built into this boat, making it the perfect party boat for your friends on board. And then as we make our way back aft, you can see again the hardtop that this boat has, giving you plenty of protection and shade. You can also see how easy it is to move around this boat and how much space you have, how much stability you have, and the handholds that's in place to make it as safe as possible. And I'd like to thank everybody's time for watching this video. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this, if you could leave comments below, and I look forward to catching you on the next one. Thanks everyone.